Hi to all the wonderful people out there, welcome back to my channel. I get many queries regarding how to layer the skincare products correctly. I totally understand it is very confusing when you use so many skincare products, what to be used when. So in today's video, I would be sharing my version of layering the skincare products. It has actually worked for me and I hope it will work for you as well. So if you're new here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the Instagram handle somewhere on the screen. So without further delays, let's dive into the video. Before diving into the video, I would like to tell you that during this video, I would be taking few products as an example so that I can make you understand how to layer them correctly. The first step of any skincare is to cleanse the face. If you're a person like me who loves wearing makeup, it is very important to go in with a micellar water, a cleansing butter or a cleansing oil. I have made a separate video. I'll put the link of the video somewhere on the screen. The micellar water that I like using is from Simple. It is a very mild micellar water and it is suitable for all skin type, but sensitive skin people are likely to love this product. Take some product on the cotton pad, apply it all over your face, and you can remove any type of foundation, mascaras or any type of makeup that you have applied on your face. If you want to go in with a cleansing butter or a cleansing oils, take some on your palm, press it between your palms and then apply it on your face in a circular motion. This will break any type of waterproof makeup that you have applied on your face. Step 2 would be using a foam or a water-based cleanser or a face wash. The one that I like using is from Cetaphil, their gentle skin cleanser. Suitable for all skin type, very mild on skin. Take some on your palm, press it between your palms and apply it on your face in a circular motion. Clean your face for not more than 60 seconds and wash your face. Now generally after this step, I exfoliate my face and go in with a face mask twice a week. The face mask that I like using is from Innisfree, their Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. The reason why I exfoliate and use face mask is because it cleans the pores, and if your pores are clean, then all the skincare that you are going to apply after this gets absorbed in your skin super fast. Now the third step is using a hydrating toner. The ones that I like using is from Kama Ayurveda, their pure rose water, and Klairs, their supple preparation toner. So the toner may come in two formats. First in a misting format and second in a bottle format. If it comes in a misting format, it is very simple. You just have to mist it all over your face. But if it comes in a bottle format, you can either apply it with a cotton pad. The way that I like applying it is I take few drops on my palm, press it between my palms and pat it on my face. I do not rub any skincare products on my face. I try to pat it on my face and let my skin absorb all the goodness of that product. The next step of the skincare is to apply a serum. The ones that I like using is a vitamin C serum in the morning and maybe a niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid or any treatment serum at night. The vitamin C serum that I like using is none other than Klairs, their vitamin C drops. You can take few drops on your fingertips, press it between your fingers and pat it all over your face. The other way of using this serum is put few drops directly on your face and press it on your face. Do not rub your serum on your face, just pat it on your face and let your skin absorb the goodness of the serum through this patting motion only. The next step is to apply an eye cream. You can use almond oil or any eye cream of your choice. You can even whip an eye cream at home. Take some product on this finger, look up and apply it under the eyes in a patting motion and move outward. Be very gentle when you apply the eye cream. It is very important to keep your under eyes hydrated. During this time only, I apply the lip balm so that later when I apply the lipstick, my lips are soft and supple. I've always emphasized on the fact that it is very important to keep your skin hydrated. So the next step is applying a moisturizer. It could be your morning or evening skincare routine, but applying a moisturizer is a must. You may be of any skin type, you may be oily, acne prone, sensitive, combination, dry, but you need to apply a moisturizer. The one that I like using during this weather condition is from Aveeno, their Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion. I'm generally trying and testing out various moisturizers. I'll come with a separate video on winter moisturizers very soon. Take some moisturizer on your palm, press it between your palm and apply it on your face in a circular motion. Be very gentle when you do it. Once the moisturizer is evenly distributed on your face, then pat it in your face so that it gets absorbed. The last step of the morning skincare is to apply a sunscreen. I have emphasized on this fact a number of times that applying a sunscreen is a must, irrespective of whether you are staying indoors or outdoors. If you are not applying a sunscreen, whatever skincare you are applying is actually a waste. You can choose a sunscreen with SPF of 30 to SPF of 50 according to your requirement. The one that I like using is from La Shield, their SPF of 40 PA+++. The way of applying a sunscreen is similar to that of a moisturizer. The last step of my night skincare, especially during winters, is to use a face oil. I love using face oil. It could be a kumkumadi oil, rose hip, vitamin E. It gives that plumpier, shinier, healthier skin the next day. The one that I'm using today is a kumkumadi oil from the brand Deve Herbs. Take few drops of this oil on the palm. Press it between the palm and pat it on your face and also to your neck area. Make sure whenever you use any skincare product in your neck area, you apply it in an upward direction and never in a downward direction. While using a skincare, you need to remember a few things. Your skincare should hydrate your skin. Second, your skincare should get absorbed in your skin, because if it does not, it will clog your pores. And third, you should start layering your skin with a light product and then move to a heavier product. For example, a toner is a light concentration product, whereas a face oil or a sunscreen is a heavy product. With that, it's a wrap. Hope this video was helpful. Do give it a thumbs up. See you in another video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.